Hello there and welcome to my channel. So this is another PowerPoint tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text on Microsoft PowerPoint. So in this video here, I'm trying to make a data comparison video. So you can check that out after checking out this video. So let me show you guys how you can add text on Microsoft PowerPoint. So just select the text here. So Ctrl+A here. And now let's move to the shape and format here. So now we move to the text effect. Good. And you can find that here at the transform here. So you can transform it to any of these. You can see here. Sorry, this is not nice. But you can choose this, you can choose this, you can choose this, you can choose this. You can choose any of them how you want them to be. So mostly you want them to be this way. Or this, or this. This is the most used one. Good. So you bring it here and then you input. If it's a logo, you add the logo here. That's how you can add text on Microsoft PowerPoint. Very simple and easy. So just like I said, I'll be making another video on how you can make data comparison videos with PowerPoint. I have a couple videos, tutorials on Microsoft PowerPoint, and then I'll be doing a tutorial on how you can add text on Microsoft Word as well. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, do like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.